Hi, I'm Dedrick, and I work on the influencer marketing team here at Fiverr in New York.
When I'm not working at Fiverr, I make jewelry and my brand is called Quimby. The materials are mostly made out of freshwater pearls, vintage beads, gold, and silver.
I started my business back in 2020 during COVID. I was watching a lot of that 70s show and I was really inspired by Kelso's puka shell necklaces. So I decided to go buy some beads and it turns out it's really expensive. And so a really expensive little hobby turned into a little side hustle. I started my business on Instagram, but over the almost 4 years that I've been doing it, it's kind of expanded. At this point, I really need to register the business and build a website, and that's why I looked to Fiverr. I really wanted to use someone that had good reviews and a lot of experience in the fashion sector. Jasmine kind of met that criteria. She has a lot of experience that I felt necessary for my brand. She presented ideas of things I hadn't really considered, whether that's selling wholesale in certain markets, obviously building a website, but like before that website, like getting my business registered. She also shared a bunch of tools that she uses to kind of like build out brands further. So like building out brand design, building out a vision board, and really like honing in on like what my brand is and how I want to see it further developed. She had me think big, think small, and it was really helpful and strategic.
I definitely want to take Quimby a bit further in life. If I could dream anything up, I would make it into like a lifestyle concept brand, like a bit of a concept store. Every time that I was here in New York, so I'd fit right in.